Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegetarian enchilada casserole. I have tweaked this recipe and you can tweak it too. It doesn't have to be an exact art, but anyways, I just want to say it's vegetarian, not vegan, so I'm still going to use cheese. I still eat cheese, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so this is what I'm using to make it. I just get a type of green chili sauce, which I just use this one because it's cheapest at H-E-B. So we got that. This is not ground beef, even though it looks like it. Yeah, so it's vegan, plant-based. You can see it's Gardein. I get it from H-E-B. They also have it at Walmart. I'm just gonna use, you can use any cheese. You don't have to use the Mexican blend, but that's just what we have. And then for tortillas, you can use any kind you want. My boyfriend just likes the corn better, and these were on sale. So I was like, why not? So yeah, this is all you need. Start by cooking this in this pan. Just gonna use the whole deal. Gonna get your oven on. So as you can see, once you cook it, it looks exactly like ground beef. I've spilled some, as you can tell. Anyways, it looks good. So now you're going to start layering it into your casserole dish. Mine is right here. So usually I use like a rectangular one, but the one that my roommates have is really huge. So we're just gonna use this circular one. Got our dish. I'm just gonna layer the meat, you know, the fake meat, because it's not real. Just gonna pile that on. Okay. All right. Still have plenty for the next layer. You're gonna start using your tortillas and layer them on. Got my tortilla. Rip them in half. Just want them to fit. You just want there to be no empty spaces, basically, without tortilla. Okay. So it's not exactly even, but you just want there to be no spaces. I mean, this is a little bit, it's fine. For the most part, you just want it to be covered. This part, it just really depends on how much green sauce you like. I love green sauce, so I'm gonna pour a good amount. So you're gonna get your cheese. Just start layering it on top. Put as much cheese as you want, as little as you want. Really just depends. I know some people might want to make it vegan, so you don't have to use cheese. The green sauce has enough flavor in it. So it's just what I do. Just put a ton of cheese. gonna put it in the oven. So I have my enchilada casserole in the oven. I'm gonna leave it in there for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, just depends on how crispy you want it. But yeah, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Guys, these plantain chips are a lot healthier. You can get them at HEB. If you just scoop them yourself, it's cheaper than getting the ones that are already like packaged. But you just eat these, make some salsa. It's real good. Get your casserole.